Hey guys, it's Jamie with H.A.M Racing, and today I'm working on a '02 Jeep Wrangler TJ. I'm replacing the carpet, seat belts, door sills, door handles, header sill, and a few other things. The lady had just picked this up and just trying to refresh it and make a fun weekend driver for her and her kids. So, take a look at it. A cool little Jeep she found. They're clean. I've already taken out the carpet. I replaced these straps. I think need door locks, I believe, are in order. Weather sills. Hey, here's some ducks. The header sill up here. And you can see what I gotta do is seatbelt. Spare tire out here. Previous owner's dog chewed through that. So, replacing all of them. I've already taken this one apart. And let's see, the dog is doing on the same side back here. So, unsafe for the kids to ride back here. So I'm gonna get all those swapped out. And stay tuned. New seat belts installed. The new header sill replaced. We're going old school. Roll up windows, new handles, new door locks. The company these came from is a little slow because lock on a TJ is this position. So be careful because that says lock, but it's actually unlocked. So that's all. The new outer door channel sills. New door handle. No more scratches. We'll see how long that lasts. There was a Texas sticker here. That's gone. The gas cap, we were getting a code for. Clean the O-ring and clean all around the area of the O-ring on the actual cap. We'll see if the check engine light goes away for that. Also, new door handle, outer door sill, roll-up window handle, lock. We got some new door catches. New carpet. Man, that changed the look of this Jeep. It only originally had gray carpet in the front. Now there's a piece for the back passenger's feet to go on, but no carpet for the back yet. We'll see if they end up getting carpet for it. We'll see. I don't even know if they have carpet for that piece back there. They should. Been many years. What else is done? Hey, duckies! Overall, this TJ is really clean. I'm about to actually go take it for a test ride now that the correct seat belts finally came in. We ordered a set and they were wrong. Did not have the clicker for the seatbelt to attach to. So got a new set in, correct, got all that changed in. Now it's time to take it for a test drive to actually see if there's anything mechanically wrong with it. Maybe suspension, because they did say it squeaks. So we'll see. Overall, this Jeep is in really good. It was a little dirty. Could use some new sway bar end links. New ball joints. Don't know if they're ready to do that yet though. Smitty built, which 10,000 pounds on the front. We do have the bump stop completely dry rotted. Need to get that out of there. Pretty greasy down here, but overall Jeep looks to be in pretty great shape. So I'll stay tuned.